Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study about Augustan age, and it was also called Neoclassical age or New Classical age because it was the imitation of classical age. So it was started in 1700 and ends in 1750, and Matthew Arnold, one of the important writer, called this age the age of prose and reason. Reason means logic, so it was also called the age of prose and reason. And it was again also called the age of Pope because Alexander Pope was the most prominent writer of this time. And it is also called the age of enlightenment because so many things have changed in this era. So earlier जो literature सीगा, it was written religiously and for nation, but this time it was written for themselves also. So Queen Anne, who was the daughter of James II, she ruled from 1702 to 1714, and basically writers of this age imitated the writers of the classical times like Holmes, Virgil, Ovid, Horace. They were the marvelous writers of that time. So this age, Augustan age writers copied them. Okay, so it is also why it is called Augustan age, because at that time the Emperor Augustus was ruling the England, so that's why it is called Augustan age. And satires and novels and prodigal essays started in this age. So it's end for today's video. So I hope we will cover the next important writers of this age one by one in the another videos. Thank you, keep watching.